Good morning. I'm so glad you're here. Let's do a few stretches just to kind of get ready for the day, reset. Also, this is a great thing to do periodically throughout the day when you've been sitting for long periods of time, just to kind of help with the alignment of the body, reduce some aches and pains, and just to help you feel better. Okay, so here we go. Sitting in our chair, we're sitting up nice and tall. I want you to imagine that there is a string attached to the top of your head, and someone is pulling that string up really tall towards the ceiling. So just breathing like this with that really tall spine. On your next inhale, let's lift those shoulders up by the ears, and on the exhale, melt them down. Again, let's do that again. Inhale, and letting it go. One more time. Good job. Now really exaggerating, we're gonna draw circles with our shoulders. So big circles forward. As you're making those circles, I want you to feel the shoulder blades. As you come forward, the shoulder blades come away from each other. As you come back, they pull together. So really, really feeling the movement of the shoulder blades as we move through this. These big circles, breathing, feels so good. And now let's reverse that, so backwards. Again, really focusing on the movement of your shoulder blades. The shoulder blades tend to get stuck in position when we've been sitting for a long time, so we want to make sure that we keep the shoulder blades nice and fluid and limber. Good job. All right, next thing we're gonna do, once again, that string on the top of the head, nice big inhale along through the spine. On the exhale, bringing the chin down to the chest. And let's just breathe here. Nice stretch down the back of the neck. And then I want you to imagine you are drawing a line with your chin. So keeping the chin tucked down, along your collarbone, you're drawing a line with the chin all the way over to one shoulder. And then you're just gazing out to the side, and we're just gonna hold that for a couple of breaths. Feel that nice stretch down the side of the neck. And then let's draw that line along the collarbone all the way to the other side. Just kind of feel what's going on in the neck here. Avoiding any pain. Looking out to the other side. And then coming back to the center. And bringing the head up nice and tall. So now what we're gonna do is just stretch a different part of the neck. So I want you to bring your chin down towards your armpit, okay? I know this sounds weird, but almost like you're smelling your armpit. So bringing the chin and the nose towards the armpit. Now that arm, we can just gently place it on the back of the head and really gently pull into the stretch. So not pulling too hard, it's just a nice, gentle stretch, okay? And we're gonna breathe here just for a few breaths. So we're just stretching the different parts of our neck here. Good job, keep breathing. And then bringing that head up nice and tall, and we're gonna do the other side. So again, bringing the nose or the chin towards the armpit. That hand just comes up and over to the back of the head and just gently pulling the head down towards your armpit. And we're breathing. So not rushing this, we want to hold this for a while. That's how we can get a nice stretch. And when you're done with this, you're gonna feel so good, so reset. And again, save this video. Press play when you're feeling the tightness and tension. Okay, and letting that go. Good job. And now we're gonna stretch out the neck muscles back here at the back of the neck that get tight and get weakened from gazing down, okay? So we're gonna push the chin out far, okay? And then we're gonna pull it back, almost like you're recoiling from somebody or like saying, say what? Okay, so push the chin out and then pull the head back. So keep doing that, pushing it out. Try to keep the chin almost like it's a straight flat line, right? You're going straight out and you're going straight back. Let's just do that a few more times. Straight out, As you come straight back, you really feel that stretch on the back of the neck. Those are those muscles that we tend to get lengthened, get weakened. Let's do one more time. Chin out and bringing it back. Good job. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, just grab, you're giving yourself a little hug. But again, the emphasis here is on the shoulder blades, okay? So you're hugging yourself, but really feel those shoulder blades pulling away from one another, okay? So sitting up nice and tall, bringing those shoulders forward. Breathe. Good job. One more breath here. Nice. Okay, last stretch we're gonna do for the neck here. So you're sitting up nice and tall. You're just gonna bring your hand to the opposite side of the head and just gently pulling straight to the side. So again, we're just literally stretching the neck on all sides. Now this arm that's here loose, what I can do is reach it down towards the ground to feel an even deeper stretch down the side of my neck. So let's just breathe into this. Take a good 4, 5, 6 breaths here. Try to make the breath nice and slow so your body is relaxed. Good job, keep breathing. Got my coffee brewing in the background. I don't know if you can hear it. This is our good morning stretch. Okay, other side. So we're first just gonna gently pull the head. Maybe that's enough. Maybe you don't need to add the arm in, but if you'd like that extra oomph, you're just gonna let that arm that's dangling reach down towards the ground. Get that nice stretch in the neck. And we're breathing nice, slow breaths. Coffee's ready. Good job. One more breath here. Nice. Last thing we're gonna do, and then we're gonna do a breathing technique to help you get reset, to help you feel energized and ready to go. So you're just gonna pick up one of your feet and put your ankle right on the top of the other leg, okay? So this is called a figure 4 stretch. So this might be enough for you, just right here. So we'll take a couple breaths here. If you flex that foot, it's gonna help to protect the knee, okay? So breathing, this is a good one for the hip, for the low back, okay? So this one, if you don't remember any of these stretches throughout your day, this is one that is gonna be really helpful. Now, if you wanna take this a little deeper, we're just gonna breathe forward. I want you to imagine bringing your belly forward. So rather than bringing your chest forward and rounding your back, nice long spine, and your belly is coming forward, okay? So let's breathe here for a few breaths. Good job. Really breathing. Slow breaths. One more. Nice job. Let's switch sides. So again, we'll just start by bringing the ankle over the top of the thigh, flexed foot, and just right here, take a couple of breaths, and then if you want to add on, if you want to do that with me, then we can, but let's just stay right here for now. Tall spine. And now on your next exhale, if you want to sink forward, you can. So big inhale, and exhaling forward. Every time you exhale, you're sinking forward a little bit more if you have the space for it, if you feel flexible enough for it. Flexed foot. Good job. One more breath. Nice. You already feel so good in your hips just from doing that. Okay, last thing we're gonna do, breathing exercise. This is something else you can add into your day. We are going to inhale for a count of 5. We're gonna hold our breath for 5, and then we're gonna exhale for 5. So think of like a triangle, okay? 5, 5, 5. Okay, we're gonna do it a few times. I'm gonna count it out for you. Here we go. Inhaling, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the breath. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fabulous. I hope that you feel ready for your day. Thanks for doing a morning wake up with me. And again, you can do this throughout the day just to kind of reset. Maybe just pick 1 or 2 exercises, stretches, I should say, out of what we just did. You're gonna have a fabulous day today. I just know it. You're amazing. You're great. And I'm so happy that you did this with me. And I will see you next time.